Partnerships such as these allow countries to exchange knowledge, learn from proven practices, and strengthen institutions in ways that accelerate progress. It is now my great pleasure to officially declare the EU Twinning Project, Strengthening Early Childhood Education in Rwanda, launched.
Bringing together all the key actors involved in shaping the future of the pre-primary education in Rwanda is a key contribution to the national strategy for transformation. The Twinning Project we are launching today builds on these efforts and supports Rwanda in further strengthening its pre-primary education system through a cooperation and shared experience.
Rwanda's clear ambitions and strategic investment in early childhood education demonstrate a forward-looking vision and decisive breakthrough in public policy thinking. Lithuania and Finland bring strong tradition in child-centered learning, play-based education, and close cooperation between schools and families.
Thank you.